E kinde matho mar Albert Ojwang medo kelo paro mopogore opogore pachoka. Moko kuom jopuonjre e mbalariany ma Pwani kama Ojwang nosome owuok oko ka gikwedo lipot mane obila ogolo ewi tho mar Ojwang. Kanotelnegi kod Alan Ochieng, japuonjrego dwaro ni bad migawo mar obila mondo otim nonro mapiyo mar yango tho mar Albert, ka giwacho ni ok en gima inyalo we mayot kamano. Giwacho ni poni obila ok bi timo nonro mapiyo ewi wachno to biro chuno mondo gidhi e ndara ka gidwaro ratiro ne Ojwang.
As a nation, we are saddened by what has happened. And to make matters worse, as youth, at the moment I can confidently say that we are living in fear. We live in a country whereby it's more safe to be taken by criminals or robbers rather than by policemen. Being taken by police to go answer questions is not a crime. People make offenses, they're taken, they go to the cell, they're booked. But being taken into a police cell and then not coming back alive, now that's something that's questionable.
We are calling upon investigations not to be done for years, but as soon as possible. We demand justice. We demand to know what happened to him. You cannot just tell us that he shook his hands, hit the wall, then unfortunately died. We need clear information on what transpired to his death. Failure to that, we as a youth, we are ready to demand for the justice.
Chenye tunahitaji kama wanafunzi wenzake na alikuwa among us, tunataka justice ipatikane. Si kwa mwanafunzi mmoja tu ameuawa hivi tunyamazie. Sisi tunataka justice. Justice alone.
We are demanding justice for one of us, Albert. The guy was very intelligent. The guy was very wise. Through social media, he could pass and convey any message that will wish the guy to. And if they'll not tell us really what happened, then we'll have to find it for ourselves.
We are really sad na tunaumia sana kama sisi Gen Zs na tunapeana serikali muda mfupi. They should respond and give us a very very valid response. Hakuna venye unatuambia mtu anaweza jipiga kwa ukuta. Albert was a degree holder person. Mtu mwenye ameshika degree si mlevi, alishikwa akiwa anakula. Mtu hajakunywa hata pombe.